I watch a lot of 8mm home movies, each one a little time capsule, and I'm always deciding which stories deserve to be brought back to life. Sometimes the choice comes down to image quality and what I can salvage with my very novice restoration skills, but more often it's about the story living inside the film. And this one needed to be told. What you're seeing here looks like a small family farm in the 1950s, a way of life that has nearly vanished, a life built on early mornings, shared labor, and generations working side by side. Even though everyone here knew they were being filmed, they couldn't hide the affection woven into their routines. You can see it in the way they move around each other, in their gatherings, in the rhythm of their days. It's a portrait of multi-generational love expressed through work, through presence, and through simply being together. Today, factory farming and corporate agriculture have made this kind of small-scale family farm almost impossible to sustain. That's what makes this footage so important. It's not just nostalgia, it's documentation of a world that once existed, a world built on hard work, community, and a kind of simplicity that's hard to find now. This reel is more than old film. It's a glimpse into a way of life that shaped families, shaped communities, and shaped the country. I'm grateful it survived long enough to be digitized and shared. Thanks for watching, and enjoy.